Jayson here from Elek Software, introducing the brand new Elek Cable Pro Web version 10.0 with 4 major new features and 170 total improvements. So who is Elek Software? Well, we are a team of electrical engineers based in Sydney. We have 3 major products: Elek Cable Pro Web, Elek Safe Grid Earthing Software, Elek Cable High Voltage Software. We have a number of very high profile clients who are using the software. We've been around for quite a while, since 2009, supporting more than 10,000 users in more than 70 countries. So what is Elek Cable Pro Web software? Well, that is cloud-based low voltage electrical design software with a database of more than 10,000 protective devices. We have a wide range of calculation types, from cable sizing, maximum demand, voltage rise, cable pulling, low voltage network design with switchboards, protection coordination, and AC and DC arc flash. This software is compatible with mobile devices, desktop, laptop, and tablets. It also complies with multiple standards: the Australian New Zealand standard, British standard, and the IEC standards, and coming soon is the NEC American standard. You can get a free 14-day trial from elek.com. A brand new feature is that you can now install the software on any device. So log into the software. At the top of the screen you'll see this Install App button. Press it. No need to log in via the browser any longer. Also supported on mobile. Once you install the software on your mobile, simply click on the icon. The app will open instantly. There is a new Excel add-in for creating cable schedules. You'll need to download the file and install it. Add rows to the Excel sheet, as many as you want. Hundreds of cables can be within the Excel sheet, and you'll be able to calculate all of the cable sizes, produce all the reports inside Microsoft Excel. How to get the Excel add-in? Open the cable sizing calculation. In the results section on the right hand side of the screen, you'll see a button, Excel add-in. Simply press that. There'll be some instructions. You can start using the Excel add-in. There is a new step-by-step calculations feature. Now you can view all of the detailed equations and the steps taken in the cable sizing calculations, including voltage drop calculations, short circuit, etc. All of the equations and the values are provided. You can even download a complete PDF report. To access the step-by-step calculations, open a cable sizing calculation, go to the Reports button drop-down. You'll see the normal cable sizing report option, and there's a new option, Calculation Steps. There are heaps of free technical videos on our YouTube channel. I highly recommend that you check it out. At Elek Software. See you on the next time. Happy calculating.